So children, yesterday we had seen that Mrs. Forestier, she returned the necklace of her friend, and then she had borrowed so much money from different money lenders and the people and the friend, and they had also sold their belongings, and in this way they had managed to arrange 36,000 francs. Out of those 36,000 francs, 18,000 were already was also with them, because Mr. Loisel has possessed that amount from his father, and remaining 18,000 they managed by borrowing from different money lenders. And then they found that necklace in one shop, and then they bought it, and next day she went to Mrs. Loisel's home, sorry, Mrs. Forestier, Madam Forestier's home, and returned it. After that, the real life of poverty started, and it is said in the lesson that she was very brave, and bravely, courageously she faced the challenge of the life. In what way she faced the challenge? We have seen that she had started doing all the household work by herself. Earlier she was having a maid. Now the maid was not engaged to do her home, all the work. She started doing all the work herself. She started washing the clothes. She started washing the linen and their clothes and dish clothes, and she started drying them on a line. And then she started to take refuse wastage to the street each morning, and she also started bringing the water from the downstairs. And it was very difficult because they were now living in an attic. Attic means like a small room they had rented, and they had also left their apartment chhod ke they had shifted to one attic. And now she started wearing clothes like an ordinary woman, and she started arguing, saving the money. How was she saving the money? She started doing the shopping herself. Shopping karti thi. She used to go to the grocer's shop. She used to go to the butcher's shop. She used to go to the fruit seller's shop, and she used to haggling. यहाँ पे word आया है shopping, haggling. Haggling to the last two. Haggling means arguing. Arguing is सौदेबाजी करना, negotiation करना. To the last sou. Sou means the last amount of very less amount of money. एक छोटे से पैसे के लिए भी वो आर्गुमेंट करती थी with all these all the shopkeepers, butchers, grocers, fruit seller. Haggling means arguing. Arguing means negotiation करती थी. To the last sou. Sou means the last less amount of money. Lost for a small coin, she used to argue with these shopkeepers. And then in this way she was living her life, because they had to repay the loan. And what her husband was doing, he was also taking the pain. He was also doing the hard work. What hard work he was doing? Let's see. The husband work evening. Now we saw that he was working in the Ministry of Education. Throughout the day he was there. वहीं पे रहता था. He used to work in that office. Then in the evening में after the office was over, he started doing what? He was putting the books of some merchants in order. He was helping the merchant. Merchant जो था कोई दूसरा ऑफिस वर्क के बाद, he used to go to him and he used to help him in arranging the books. जो बुक्स थे उसको अरेंज करने में, ऑर्डर में लगाने में, प्रॉपर लगाने में उसको मदद करता था. एंड ही नाइट्स में क्या करता था? ही डिड कॉपी का वर्क करता. यू कैन सी ही इज डूइंग राइटिंग समथिंग. that time the typewriter or computer were not there, so he used to write copying work. He was doing at 5 sous a page. जैसे हमारा कॉइन होता है फ्रेंच का, वहां पे फ्रांस का sous होता है. So that was a coin. So for every page which he wrote, he used to get 5 sous, okay, per page. So he was doing this work. See, the whole day he was working in the office as a clerk. Then in the evening he used to work to arrange books for some merchant. And then At night, he was doing the work of copying. And how much money he used to get? He used to get only 5 sous per page. And this life lasted for 10 years. And this went on. This kind of life they were living almost for 10 years. 10 साल तक उन्होंने ऐसी जिंदगी जी. जैसे हमने देखा, wife कैसे काम कर रही थी? She was doing all the work and husband also. And it went on for 10 years. Then at the end of 10 years, they had restored all. Restored means they were able to pay off all the debts, all the loan which they had taken from different people. At the end of 10 years, they were able to return it. Restore it means to repay it. वापस करने में सक्षम हुए. Then, what was the effect of all this hard work? ये effect क्या है? यहाँ पे देखो आप picture में. You see how poor they are. Now you can see the white hair here. They have become very old in 10 years. Okay, this man is a money lender. Money lenders मतलब जो पैसे लिया था उससे उसको वापस दे दिया उसने, paid. He is paid now. क्या हुआ उसके बाद? Okay, wait. Madame Loisel seemed old now. She was looking very old now. She had become a strong, hard woman now, but she had become very strong. हार्ड वुमन, जैसे हमने जो लेबर देखते हैं, आप जो खेत में काम करते हैं या फिर यू सी दे आर वेरी स्ट्रांग, दे लुक्स वेरी हार्ड. द क्रूड woman of the poor household, she was looking the crude woman. Crude woman you means the woman who does the hard work, labor, जो लेबर काम करने वाले जो वुमेन्स होते हैं, जो वुमेन होती है, she was looking like that, woman of the poor household, गरीब घर की. Okay, her hair badly dressed. Her hair, earlier she used to pay attention on her beauty. She used to spend time on her beauty. Now you can see she was not paying any attention. She was not giving any heed towards her physical beauty. Physical beauty पे ध्यान नहीं था. So she was not taking care of her hair. So her hair were badly dressed. She was not combing it or oiling it, or you can say, okay. Then her skirts, the clothes, auri means very awkward, very poor, very what you call simple. Her hands red now because she was doing hard work, washing clothes, washing utensils, brooming the room. That's why her hand had become very red it had become. Then she spoke in a loud tone. Her voice also changed because she was living like a poor woman, ordinary human. She was that there was no etiquettes, there were no manners in her speaking also. So she used to speak like in a loud tone. Loud tone में बड़े आवाज में बात करते थे मजूर की तरह. And washed the floors में जो फर्श होता है, she washed the floor with large pail of water. Pail means bucket. With a large bucket of water, she was washing the floors. In this way, her life had changed. She was looking a very poor woman. She was looking like a very strong, hard woman. She was crude woman. She was not giving any attention to her physical beauty. Her hands had become red and her voice had also changed. She was not following any manners or etiquette. She was just looking like speaking like a woman who reside in a slum area. Slum area के जो एरिया होते हैं, जो गांव के नहीं, जो गरीब बस्ती के लोग होते हैं, आपने देखे होंगे उनका बोलने का तरीका उसी तरह she had become. Then next, but sometimes, लेकिन कभी-कभी when her husband was at the office, when she was alone and her husband was not in the house and he was office, she would sit herself before the window. Again, she would sometime, would means used to क्या करती थी, sit herself, बैठती थी before the window and think of that evening party of former times. She used to remember that day. Sometimes when her husband was not there, sometimes she used to remember that beautiful party, of that ball party where she was so beautiful and so flattered. Flatter means जहां लोग उसकी तारीफ करते थे, praise करते थे, उस दिन को जरूर याद करती थी. And then she used to think, how would it have been if she had not lost the necklace? How would it have been? कितना अच्छा होता, कैसा रहा होता उसका लाइफ if she had not lost the necklace. अगर नेकलेस नहीं खोया होता तो मेरा लाइफ कैसा होता? Who knows? पता नहीं. How singular is life? How life is singular means we cannot predict what will happen in life. जिंदगी में क्या होगा हमें कोई भी कुछ नहीं बता सकता. हाउ सिंगुलर इज लाइफ एंड हाउ फुल ऑफ चेंजेस. लाइफ चेंजेस एवरी टाइम, ईच टाइम. वी कांट नो, वी डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन विथ मी नेक्स्ट मिनट. सो द लाइफ इज अनप्रिडिक्टेबल. यू कैनॉट प्रिडिक्ट एनीथिंग अबाउट लाइफ. उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं बता सकते. हाउ स्मॉल थिंग विल ruin or save one. A small thing can ruin your life. Ruin means destroy your life, or small thing can save your life. So life is, in this way, life is very changing. Life is very unpredictable. A small thing can ruin you, बर्बाद कर सकती है. A small thing can save you. These thoughts used to come in her mind sometimes when she used to sit in front of the window when she was alone. That day she used to remember this good day. Next. Now, this is the last part. One day, one Sunday, as she was taking a walk in the Champs-Elysees to read herself to the cares of the week. See, one day she was taking a round on Sunday, where this is a street given, Champs-Elysees. To read herself means to care of the week. जो हफ्ते भर उसने जो चिंता थी उसको, to get rid of that, to free herself from those bore life which she spent for a week. एक हफ्ते का जो वो कष्ट करती थी, हार्ड वर्क करती थी, उससे छुटकारा पाने के लिए she was taking a walk. एक बार जा रही थी रास्ते से. She suddenly pursued a woman. Pursued me imagined. She suddenly pursued a woman walking with a child. She suddenly saw one woman. Pursued means that woman was looking known to her. उसको लगा कि इसको मैं जानती हूँ. She suddenly saw a woman walking with a child. Then, who was that lady? She was Madame Forestier. Madame Forestier. She saw Madame Forestier there on the street, and she was, how was she looking? She was still looking young. Now, last time she had met her 10 years ago when she had went to her home to return her necklace. 10 years had passed, but still, how she was looking? She was looking young. She was looking still pretty. सुंदर दिख रही थी. Still attractive. Madame Loisel was affected. Madame Loisel was affected means she was very shocked when she saw her, because she had changed completely, but her friend still was looking same. So she was shocked. Should she speak to her? Then she started thinking, should I go and meet her? Should I talk to her? Yes, certainly. क्यों नहीं? And now that she had paid, she would tell her all. Now there is no harm if she tell her that what had happened to her that night and what kind of life she was living for last 10 years. ये मैं बताऊंगी उसको जाकर कि मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था. अब बताने में कोई शर्म नहीं है, क्योंकि आई ऑलरेडी पेड ऑल द लोन. मैंने सभी लोन पेड कर दिया है. एंड शी वुड टेल हर ऑल. मैं जाके उसको सब कुछ बताऊंगी. व्हाई नॉट, क्यों नहीं. एंड शी अप्रोच मी. शी वेंट नियर, नीचे करीब गई, एंड सेड, गुड मॉर्निंग जेनी. जेनी इज द नेम ऑफ मैडम फॉरेस्टायर. गुड मॉर्निंग जेनी, शी सेड. Her friend, now see the expression, her friend did not recognize her. Did not recognize, because she had become old. And she was astonished. Astonished means surprised to be so familiarly addressed by his common personage. Personage, this was her personal name. Everybody used to call her by the name of Madame Forestier. But her friend, her friend is Madame Loisel. Madame Loisel had called her by her first name, Annie. और वो सरप्राइज थी कि ये मेरा नाम जो मेरे करीब लोग ही करते हैं, ऐसा मेरे को इस लेडी ने मुझे बोला ऐसा. इट मीन्स दैट दिस लेडी मस्ट बी वेरी क्लोज टू मी. दिस इज द नेम ओनली. I am called by this name only by some very close people. So she was surprised who had called me. She stammered. Stammered, you know, haklana, she was not able to speak properly because she was shocked. She said, Madam, do not know, you must be mistaken. Kya कहती है? But madam, I do not know you, because she did not recognize her. I do not know you, you must be mistaken. Who do you want to talk? You are calling my name, but I don't remember you. Who are you? She wanted to say. No, she said, I am Matilda Loisel. Then she introduced her. You have forgotten me. I am Matilda, your friend. And then when she told her name, she uttered a cry. uttered, we shouted in a cry of astonishment. Again, she was very surprised. She said, "Oh, my poor Matilda, how you have changed. Wow, you have completely changed." She was surprised and she also was very sad when she saw the condition of her friend. Then Matilda, what does she say? Yes, I have had some hard days. बहुत कठिन दिन थे मेरे. I have had some hard days since I saw you last. जब से मैंने आपको आखिरी बार देखा उसके बाद my life was very difficult and some miserable one and my days were very unhappy, miserable one, and all because of you, and all this happened only because of you. ये सब जो हुआ it happened because of you. Because of me? How is that? She said. Madam Forrester said. And then she told, you recall me, you remember the diamond necklace that you lent me, मुझे दिया था तुमने, to wear to the minister's ball? Yes, very well. She said, I remember that. I had given you the necklace diamond. Well, I lost it. मैंने खो दिया था उसका. How is that? मैडम फॉरेस्टर ऐसा कैसा हो सकता है? You returned it to me. तूने तो वापस किया है मुझे उसी दिन, next 8 दिन के बाद. She said, I returned another to you exactly like it. She said it was not the original one. It was a different one. Which was looking exactly like it. And it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. And to buy the similar kind of necklace which I had lost and which I returned to you, it took me 10 years because I took loan from different money lenders and it took me 10 years to repay for it. You can understand that it was not easy for us who have nothing. You know that it is not easy for the people like us who have nothing to pay so much amount of 36,000 francs. But it is finished now. ये खत्म हो गया है. The loan is over now and I am decently content. Decently means very content, means very satisfied. Now I paid all the loan. Madam Forrester stopped short. वो रुक गई. She did not know what to say to her friend. She said, you say that you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine? She said, you are saying that you bought a diamond necklace to give back to me, to replace me, मेरी पुराने की जगह replace करने के लिए, उसकी जगह देने के लिए आपने diamond necklace खरीदा, to return to me? Yes, you did not pursue me notice. You did not notice it then. When I returned, you did not find the difference. So it was so similar. तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चला. They were just alike. Alike means same. People same thing. And she smiled with proud and simple joy. And there was a expression of pride. Pride मतलब गर्व महसूस कर रही थी. Oh, and she was also smiling. See, I returned her necklace, which was made by diamond. Even though I was poor, and I paid all the loan and I returned it. And there was a feeling of pride and happiness on her face. Madam Forrester was touched. She became very touched. Touch means very emotional. Emotional हो गई and took both her hands. उसके दोनों हाथ पकड़े as she replied. और क्या कहती है? उसके हाथ अपने हाथ में लेकर, oh my poor Matilda, mine were false. What have you done? Mine, the necklace was false. It was not the real one. It was the imitation था. जैसे हम अभी सोने का गहना लेते हैं और उसका इमिटेशन देखते हैं, आपको बेंटेक्स जिसको बोलते हैं, उसी तरह का था. फॉल्स था, नकली था. It was not real. It was false. They were not over 500 francs. And what was the cost of that my diamond necklace? It was just only 500 francs. And what have you done? You paid for 36,000 francs. The real cost was only 500 francs. Lesson ends here. Story ends here. So see, one small mistake had ruined their life. पूरी life बर्बाद कर दी थी. अब भले even if she now return her diamond necklace, वो diamond necklace को वापस भी दे दे, क्योंकि वो शायद 500, तो भी the life will not be the same. वो life same होने वाले हैं. That the diamond necklace cannot bring back those 10 years which they had lost. Now you see here, what is the moral? Is story say what we can learn? वेरी सिंपल वन, वेरी नाइस वन। सी क्या पढ़ सकते हैं, क्या सीख सकते हैं? द मॉरल लेसन टू बी लर्न फ्रॉम द नेकलेस इज दैट अ पर्सन वी विल पे डियरली, मतलब वेरी डियरली, मतलब बहुत कॉस्टली पे करना पड़ेगा उसको, फॉर कन्वर्टिंग फॉल्स वैल्यूज एंड पर्सन प्रियोक्यूपेशन विथ अपीयरेंस एंड मटेरियलिज्म इज फ्रूटलेस एंड वेन इफ यू आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विथ योर लाइफ, इफ यू रन बिहाइंड द मटेरियलिस्टिक लाइफ, मटेरियल मतलब भौतिक सुखों के पीछे दौड़ोगे, and if you give more importance to your false values, false values कौन से हैं? लोगों के बीच में, बड़े बड़े लोगों में मिलना, उसको वही लाइफ अच्छी समझना, अपनी अपनी कैपेसिटी होने के न होने के बावजूद ऐसे बड़े सपने देखना जो हमारे कंट्रोल के बाहर है, ऐसी जो लाइफ जीता है, ही विल पे डियरली, उसको बहुत इसकी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी। पे डियरली में कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी। और important to live, what is important? It is important to live within one's means, means मतलब जो sources है हमारे, उसी में हमें अपने लाइफ जीनी चाहिए। The story teaches us not to borrow things or money unnecessarily. This is also the good lesson. We should not borrow money from others, from money lenders when it is not necessary. It is also not wise, जिसने उसने अगर borrow कहा किया था, things borrow की थी, necklace किया था, जरूरत नहीं है। It is also not wise to live a प्रिटेंशियस लाइफ, प्रिटेंशियस मतलब ढोंग भरी लाइफ, जिससे जो रियल लाइफ नहीं है, ऐसी लाइफ जीना भी कोई इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है। इफ वी बोरो मनी अननेसेसरीली, मैथिल्डा बोरोज अ डायमंड नेकलेस, शी लॉस्ट इट एंड कॉज हर हस्बैंड एंड हरसेल्फ लिविंग इन poverty. Because of her mistake, their life had changed. We must realize that it is important to live within one's means. This is the most important lesson which we learn, that we should live within one's means. Next, it is also important to be contented in life and not to be greedy. Contented means dissatisfied होना चाहिए and not to be greedy. The story teaches us to be contented in life and not to be greedy, to want, एक मिनट, to want everything. You should not hope that life will give everything to you. Whatever you have, be satisfied within it, with it. Loisel is very contented in life, even if he leads a simple life with the income he earned. Her husband was very satisfied. But on the other hand, Mathilda is obsessed to want all the delicacies and luxuries in life. This causes her to be in her own world and daydreams that she is wealthy and famous. Her greed causes them to suffer for a period of 10 years. It happened because of her greed. If she is contented with what she has, अगर वो contented होती, satisfied होती जो उसके पास है, and is realistic of the fact that she is the wife of an ordinary clerk, उसने अगर ये दिमाग में रखा होता कि she does not belong to a rich family, she is the wife of an ordinary clerk, she would not have to borrow the necklace in the first place. उसने necklace ही खरीदना आने नहीं होता. It is important to be practical. The story teaches us to be practical and learn to solve problems carefully. Loisel is a down-to-earth person. Down-to-earth person मतलब he knows what is the reality. He knows that all that glitters is not gold. हर चमकने वाली सोना नहीं होती, हम ऐसा कहावत है. And live life according to his means. अपनी इनकम की तरह वो लाइफ जीता था. He is able to find solution to the problem because he is practical person. It is important in life to be practical and realistic. Matilda, on the other hand, is not practical. She is a daydreamer who is in her own world. अपनी दुनिया में रहती थी. Later in the story, Matilda becomes practical. बाद में वो practical हो जाती है. When she lost everything, as she faces the realities of life, it is important to be practical and not to be carried away. This is the some points which we can learn from this story. So in this way, we have finished this lesson. कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं, वो क्वेश्चंस आई थिंक एक क्वेश्चंस और एक वीडियो, इसका बढ़िया एक ये है हमारे पास, इसका एक स्टोरी है कार्टून फॉर्म में. आई विल शो इट टुमारो एंड टुमारो वी विल डिस्कस ऑल दिस क्वेश्चन. सो चिल्ड्रन, वी विल स्टॉप हियर. Again, we will meet tomorrow at the same time, and tomorrow we will discuss all these question, and also we will watch one what you call cartoon. कार्टून नहीं बोलेंगे उसको, एनिमेटेड स्टोरी ऑफ दिस लेसन. ओके, इज इट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन?
यस सर. यस सर.
ओके, अभी आप क्या करो, इसको एक बार पढ़ लेना ये स्टोरी को, तो आपको फिर मजा आ जाएगा, एक बार अच्छी तरह से समझ में आएंगे. टुमारो देन यू विल बी एबल टू व्हाट पार्टिसिपेट इन द क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन. ओके, ओके बेटा, ओके बाय.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Okay.
Bye,
sir.
sir.